Hey y'all, remember when your little ones were just teeny babies? Time flies, doesn't it? Now they're toddling around exploring every nook and cranny and their appetites? Well, let's just say they're growing as fast as their curiosity. It's a time of big changes, new discoveries, and of course, lots of delicious food. But with so many options out there, it can be a little overwhelming figuring out what's best to nourish those growing bodies. That's why I'm so excited to share some simple, wholesome, and most importantly, tasty recipes that'll make mealtime a joy for both you and your little one. Let's get cooking. At 2 years old, your little bundles of energy need just that, energy. And where does that energy come from? Good, wholesome carbs. Now, when I say carbs, I'm talking about the good kind, like rice, our very own rati, and good old-fashioned oats. These are the staples that'll keep their tummies happy and their energy levels soaring. You can keep it simple with a bowl of warm rice and dal, or get creative with some fun roti rolls. Those little muscles are working overtime as your toddler discovers the world around them. That's why protein is so important at this stage. Good sources of protein include eggs, scrambled, boiled, or even in a little pancake lentils, paneer, and chicken. Get creative. You can add these protein sources to their favorite dishes, like a little paneer in their roti roll, or some shredded chicken in their vegetable soup. Think of protein as the building blocks for those little muscles that are working overtime as they explore the world around them. Just like us grown-ups, toddlers need their fair share of vitamins and fiber to thrive. And the best way to get those? Fruits and veggies, of course. They're like nature's little powerhouses, packed with all the good stuff that keeps their bodies running smoothly. Offer them a variety of fruits and veggies throughout the day, whether it's sliced bananas for breakfast, steamed carrots and peas with lunch, or a small bowl of mixed berries for a snack. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. You can sneak veggies into their favorite dishes, like adding finely chopped spinach to their roti dough or pureeing some carrots into their soup. Those little bones are growing fast and they need all the calcium they can get. Dairy products like milk, curd, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium. A glass of warm milk before bedtime is a comforting ritual for many toddlers, and it's a great way to sneak in some extra calcium. Curd is another great option. You can serve it plain, add some fruits for sweetness, or even make it into a refreshing lassi. And don't forget about cheese. A little bit of grated cheese can go a long way in adding flavor and nutrition to their meals. Now, don't let the word fat scare you. Healthy fats are essential for toddlers' brain development, growth, and overall well-being. Good sources of healthy fats include ghee, which adds a delicious aroma and flavor to their food, nuts like almonds and walnuts. Make sure they're finely ground or powdered to prevent choking, and seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds. Think of them as the fuel that keeps their little engines running smoothly. Remember, a little goes a long way. Aim for a balanced intake of healthy fats throughout the day. Let's start our day with a breakfast that's as cheerful as a toddler's laugh. Vegetable poha. It's a light, fluffy, and flavorful dish that's packed with nutrients and perfect for little tummies. Start by warming a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Add some finely chopped onions and sauté until translucent. Then, toss in your favorite veggies, peas, carrots, and even some finely chopped spinach work well. Now add the soaked poha, a pinch of turmeric for that lovely golden hue, and a dash of jeera for flavor. Cook for a couple of minutes until everything is heated through and your delicious vegetable poha is ready. Who doesn't love pancakes? These Ragi banana pancakes are a healthier take on the classic breakfast treat, and they're naturally sweetened with the goodness of ripe bananas. In a bowl, mash one ripe banana until smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of Ragi flour. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, and a splash of milk to form a batter. Heat a lightly greased pan over low heat and pour small dollops of the batter. Cook until bubbles appear on the surface, then flip and cook the other side. Your little ones will love these soft, fluffy, and naturally sweet pancakes. Roti rolls are a great way to sneak in some extra veggies. They're easy to make, fun to eat, and perfect for little hands to hold. Start by boiling some potatoes, carrots, and peas until soft. Mash them together until smooth. Spread the mashed veggie mixture evenly over a soft roti. Roll it up tightly and slice it into bite-sized pieces. Your little ones will love these colorful and flavorful roti rolls. Some things never go out of style, and dal rice with ghee is one of them. It's a comforting, nourishing, and easy-to-digest meal that's perfect for toddlers. In a pot, combine 2 tablespoons of rice and 1 tablespoon of moong dal. Rinse them together until the water runs clear. Add water, a pinch of turmeric, and a pinch of salt. Cook until the rice and dal are soft and mushy. Drizzle a teaspoon of ghee on top for added flavor and aroma. It's a simple yet wholesome meal that's sure to be a hit. Snack time just got a whole lot more exciting with this vibrant and flavorful fruit chaat. It's a delightful mix of colors, textures, and tastes that'll tantalize your little one's taste buds. Chop up a variety of fruits into bite-sized pieces. Bananas, apples, pomegranates, and grapes are all great options. You can also add some seasonal fruits for a taste of something special. Toss the fruits together in a bowl and sprinkle with a tiny dash of lemon juice or chaat masala, optional for a little extra zing. Your little one will love this refreshing and healthy snack. Suji Cheela, also known as Rava Cheela, is a popular and nutritious breakfast or snack option in India. It's made with semolina, suji, curd, and a variety of vegetables. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of suji, half a cup of curd, and a 1/4 cup of water. Mix well to form a smooth batter. Add finely chopped vegetables of your choice, such as carrots, zucchini, onions, or bell peppers. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the hot pan and spread it into a thin circle. Cook until the edges turn golden brown and the cheela is cooked through. Serve hot with curd or homemade chutney. Just as there are foods that nourish and delight, there are also some things that are best to avoid when it comes to feeding your 2-year-old. Sugary snacks and drinks like candies, cookies, and sodas may seem tempting, but they offer little nutritional value and can contribute to tooth decay and unhealthy eating habits. Fried junk foods, while sometimes hard to resist, are high in unhealthy fats and salt, which can be detrimental to their health in the long run. And of course, whole nuts, while healthy for adults, pose a choking hazard for toddlers and should be avoided. Well, there you have it. Feeding your toddler doesn't have to be stressful. Just remember to keep it simple, keep it colorful, and keep it fun. These early years are all about exploring new tastes and textures, so don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Some days your little one will devour everything you put in front of them, and other days they'll turn their nose up at their favorite foods. And that's okay. Most importantly, make mealtime a happy and enjoyable experience for both of you. After all, there's nothing more rewarding than seeing your little one's face light up when they discover a new favorite food.